Today we're going to have meatball soup, which is simply mincemeat balls cooked in a soup. Chop up some parsley, it suits it very nicely, and turmeric. There, if you want to make it spicy, you can put garam masala, you can make it with put curry as well, and a clove of garlic in there if you like, and just boil it up. You put rice in here as well, we'll see that, a bit of rice to sort of bind it all, and then you also put rice into the soup as it's almost ready, cooked, the meatballs, and you're making a nice rice and meatball soup, you'd say. Jobbar lagja. I'll put all the rice in because it is a kilo of mincemeat, and I'll put some turmeric in, which I use in most things that I do. So I put another cup of rice to thicken the soup. Very nice. Now I've got 2 eggs here which I'm beating. I've squeezed 2 lemons, so there's quite a lot of juice there. And what you do is you just add it slowly and blend it. You don't pour it all in because you want to blend it in gradually. You don't want it to curdle, and you don't want the soup to be boiling. It's good to let it rest for, you want it hot, but you don't want it to be bubbling when you pour this in. And then you take a bit of broth, because again you want it to blend gradually, don't just pour it in, suddenly, and that helps it as well. Gently stirring it, you just pour it in. There it is. And blend it in nicely, like that. Just a little bit. And it's ready. The rice that I put into the soup when the meatballs are almost really cooked or almost ready, then I put the rice in and just wait for that to cook as well towards the end.